about 7 o'clock and we're still out in the Mojave. Look at this beautiful cactus here. I'll look up the name of that. Christmas cactus, something like that. We were wanting to hear some bird song this morning, right in the mood as the sun came up. But way over there, I mean 2 or 3 miles away, is a road, and out here the sound carries. It's so quiet. That's the good news, but the sound carries so far. You can hear the road. I want to record some bird song for some videos, so I thought let's take a walk, which is a great thing to do first thing in the morning anyway. And we'll go up behind these hills here. We'll go over there and maybe that'll give us some shelter from the sound, and we can record some birds singing. They're very busy. Gosh, you got the ubiquitous aeroplanes in the background too. I can't remember where you got to go to. Maybe the North Pole to get away from people sounds. Let's walk a bit further and see what happens. Yeah, the sun's just come up behind us. We'll be charging up some solar batteries soon. How'd you like my silly hat? I'm not out here for fashion statements. Just keeps me warm. Bizzles, what you doing? Good job, Bob. What's in there? What's in there? Good job you had a bath last week. He's gone. Where you going, Biz? So much for company. What'd you catch? Where's breakfast? This pretty little creek here, for want of a better, dry creek. It's idyllic in the winter time. It's February, but it's not a place to come to. You can't come into these in the summertime or in the spring even, because there are snakes, rattlesnakes. We've come across them, and Ozzy is well trained on snake aversion. It's quite an instinct for him. I tried to teach, but he didn't need to be taught. He wasn't going anywhere near that rattler. Ozzy, in case you're wondering, is an Australian cattle dog. He's not a fox. That's dingo in him. But he's very independent. Dingoes, cattle dogs, they go far looking for cattle. So this boy, when we go walking, he's always out about 50 yards, 100 yards, checking things out. These flowers. You can see all the cold weather stuff came off. Bright and early morning, Friday morning, happy day to you. Okay, Oz, I think we got it. Let's go and get breakfast. Another way. What a lovely way to start a day. Highly recommend it. That's the barrel cactus. I know the name of that one.